Sherman, you want a treat? Come on. And you have to bribe your dog to come inside. I'm gonna give Sherman one of these treats from his bark box. It is the beef and chicken dynamic chewo. It's these ones. Here, let's do this over here. Ready? Sit. Let's show them how you can give me your paw. Paw. Oh, Sherman, paw. Good boy. Here you go. Take it to your bed. It's so funny. He always takes his treats to his bed. So I realized I didn't really do an intro, but welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. Oh, you guys, I can't even believe I can pick him up. Look. Oh my goodness gracious, Sherman. Oh, he's so big. But all he wants is to be like up my butt all the time. Ooh. Oh, hi. Welcome to the channel. People are probably thinking, oh my God, you let your dog on the counter? No, I do not. I just went to Target and I also went into TJ Maxx, but I didn't really find anything in there. My goal was to get a doormat for our front door. I didn't find that at all. I only got a couple things. The first thing I got was a bag of Halloween candy. And then I got these for me because Devin doesn't really like these, but these are like my favorite. Last year they had these Hershey's caramel apple, little milk chocolate filled apples, and these are so freaking good. So I got those to put in there. And then a couple months ago, we had some friends stay at our house, and one of Devin's friends accidentally broke my spoon rest. I got this one at Target, and it says Taste the Good Life. I thought it was really cute. This was only like $4.99 and I really needed one. I couldn't find one at TJ Maxx that I liked. And then this is the last thing I got and I'm so excited about it. My friend posted that she had got one of these at Target like a while ago, and I really, really wanted one, but I totally forgot about it until I just went and I was looking at the t-shirts. But it's this t-shirt that says Dog Mom. How cute is it? So that's all I've really done today. This morning, Sherman and I laid in bed, waited for Devin to get home. I almost said Dad because that's what I call Devin around Sherman. And then I made some breakfast, did some laundry. I was gonna vlog, but it all happened so fast and sometimes I just don't vlog in the mornings. I'm like looking at him right here. Sorry, I'm like all over the place right now. But let's see, what else did I do today? Then I laid down with Devin, which is pretty much what I've been doing every morning when he goes to bed, is I go and lay with him until he falls asleep, and sometimes I take a nap. Today I did not because I wasn't really tired, which I should have been considering I stayed up really late last night. Last night I stayed up until after midnight, which if anybody knows me, knows that I go to bed at like 9 o'clock. Like, I'm trying to get on a new schedule because Devin's on a different shift now, and so I'm trying to stay up later so that like on his nights off, I can stay up later with him, you know? Anyways, so that's what we're doing. It's almost 3 and I don't know what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. Devin works tonight, so it's just gonna be me and Sherman. Don't know what we're gonna do, but we'll see. So my battery was dying, so I had to let it charge for a little bit, but Sherman and I were just laying on the couch watching some TV. I was putting together my meal plan for the next week, and speaking of meals, I'm getting ready to make dinner. So this is a dish I like to cook, like if I'm only cooking like 1 or 2 pieces of chicken in, and I know it looks disgusting. I swear it's clean. I baked some chicken in it a while ago and it like splattered, and I have scrubbed this thing to death and it won't come off. So if you have any recommendations of how to get this out of my pan, because it's clean, but I can't get those marks off. Here's my chicken breast. I'm gonna use some vegetable oil, which by the way, I know olive oil is the best thing to use, or like avocado oil or whatever, but I'm just using up what I have, and I got this cute little jar from, I think, TJ Maxx, I think. It was only like $2.99, and it makes it really easy because I can just like pour it into the pan or whatever I'm using. I'm gonna do a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and then I'm gonna use some of this Mrs. Dash garlic and herb. It's salt-free seasoning, and I know it's kind of like I'm using salt, but I'm just gonna put a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna season our chicken with. And then this breast will be big enough for the 2 of us, plus probably a little bit of extra left over. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven because it's preheated to 450. Typically I cook chicken breasts like this for about 40 minutes, and that's usually how long it takes for them to be done. So I pulled this out of the freezer, and what I do when I buy my chicken is I split it up and then I freeze it. I know it looks kind of gross, but it's not. It's still good. I split it up and then I freeze it, and then I thaw it as I need it, because we are only a family of 2, so we don't go through a whole lot of chicken. But let's go ahead and get this ready. Okay, so this is not the prettiest display of food, but I just put all the noodles, and I used just like whole grain rotini, I think it's called, and then I mixed it in with some of our favorite pasta sauce, which is the Bertolli vodka sauce. Not this brand in particular, but we love vodka sauce. And so I just mixed in 2 servings of that, added some Parmesan cheese on top, and there you go. And the pan looks even dirtier now, so looks disgusting, but it'll taste pretty good. So I'm getting Devin's stuff ready for him to go to work. So I have his water. He takes his water in his Hydro Flask. This is like a huge one. And then I also make him coffee. He drinks black coffee. And I've got that, and then I have his lunch ready. So he is all ready to go to work. He's upstairs getting ready. And then when he comes down, we will eat dinner together quickly. He actually has to leave in like 20-ish minutes, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. I hope this vlog hasn't been too boring. I know I've been like sitting in the same spot all day with the camera, but it's been pretty boring. Let me show you Sherman. Are you cozy, buddy? What you doing? Are you cozy wozy on the floor? Likes to keep me company in the kitchen while I'm doing stuff. I'm eating dinner with Devin at almost bedtime, but that's how it goes. We're also watching How I Met Your Mother. Classic, huh, Shermanator? You wanna say hi? He's tired, he just woke up. I'm tired because I'm working. And Sherman wants some of my dinner. No, sir. You got it? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo!
Oh, did he catch it?
Yeah, he did. Good boy. Good boy.
More time.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, nice.
He had it. One more time. Ready? Ready? Oh, gosh. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh,
boo.
Hey guys, so don't hate me for such a crappy vlog, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish the vlog here because Devin just left for work. Sherman's trying to eat my camera. Devin just left for work, and I'm probably just gonna be hanging out the rest of the night. I might order my groceries on Walmart pickup tonight and schedule them to be picked up on Tuesday. So yeah, if you guys want to see a haul from that, let me know. I don't even think this will be up before then, so maybe I'll just do one anyway. But anyways, hope you guys liked this video. Hopefully it wasn't too boring, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bye guys.